The internet has changed everything. One big change: auctions, no more crowded rooms. Now you can buy and sell anytime, anywhere with online auction sites. Millions of people are already doing it. It's a global marketplace right at your fingertips. Want to turn your clutter into cash? Online auctions are perfect for that. Have unique items to sell? Auctions can get you the best price. Or maybe you're just looking for great deals. Online auctions have it all. Ready to jump in? Great! You've got choices. eBay is the biggest name. Millions of buyers and sellers use it every day. Bonanza is another great option. It's known for its simple interface and focus on unique items. These platforms are user-friendly. They guide you through every step. From creating an account to listing your first item, it's all designed to be easy. Don't be intimidated. Start exploring these platforms today. First things first, you need an account. This is how you interact on the platform. Go to the site and click Register or Sell. You'll need to provide some basic information. This usually includes your name, email address, and a password. Some platforms might ask for more details. This could be your phone number or address. This helps keep transactions secure. Once you're done, you'll have a seller account. Now the fun begins. Now let's list your first item. This is where you create your product page. Think of it like your online storefront. First, choose a catchy title. Be specific and highlight key features. Next up, the description. Be honest and accurate. Mention any flaws. Good photos are key. Use natural lighting and show the item from different angles. Finally, set your price. We'll cover pricing strategies in the next section. Section 5. The price is right. Strategies for profitable pricing. Pricing is crucial for maximizing your profits and ensuring your items sell. Start by researching similar items to get a sense of the market. See what they're selling for and take note of the final prices. This gives you a benchmark to base your pricing on. You have several options for setting your price. Starting bid. This is the minimum you'll accept for your item. Set it low to attract bidders and encourage a bidding war. Reserve price. This is the minimum you'll accept, but it's hidden from bidders, adding a layer of security. Use it if you're not willing to sell below a certain price, ensuring you don't undersell. Buy it now. This lets buyers skip the auction and buy immediately at a fixed price, providing instant sales. Set it higher than your starting bid to reflect its immediate purchase value. Experiment with different strategies. See what works best for your items by analyzing past results and adjusting accordingly. And remember, shipping costs matter too. They can influence a buyer's decision. Factor them into your pricing to avoid unexpected costs and ensure transparency for buyers. Section 6. Auction Power-Ups, Maximizing Your Profits. In this section we will explore some powerful strategies to help you maximize your earnings on auction sites. Want to boost your earnings? Here are some tips. Asterisk. Timing is key. Timing can make a significant difference in your auction success. List your items when people are most active online. This increases the chances of your items being seen and bid on. Evenings and weekends are usually good bets. People are more relaxed and have more time to browse and bid. Asterisk. Promote your items. Many platforms offer promotional tools. These tools can help your listings stand out from the crowd. Use them to get more eyeballs on your listings. The more visibility your items have, the higher the chances of making a sale. Asterisk. Offer free shipping. This can be a huge incentive for buyers. Free shipping often makes your listings more attractive compared to others. Consider it an investment in more sales. The initial cost can be offset by the increased number of sales you make. Provide excellent customer service. Good customer service can set you apart from other sellers. Answer questions promptly and politely. This builds trust and encourages repeat business. Ship items quickly and securely. Fast and reliable shipping can lead to positive reviews. Happy customers leave positive feedback, which attracts more buyers. Positive reviews can significantly boost your reputation. By following these tips, you can turn your online auction hustle into a real money-making machine. Consistency and attention to detail are key to long-term success. Section 7. Navigating the auction jungle. Avoiding common pitfalls. Selling on auction sites can be rewarding, but there are potential pitfalls that can catch you off guard if you're not careful. One major issue is underestimating fees. Platforms charge various fees for listing and selling items, which can add up quickly. Be aware of these fees before setting your prices to ensure you still make a profit after all costs are accounted for. Another common pitfall is poor photos and descriptions. Low-quality images and vague descriptions can lead to low bids or no bids at all. Invest time in creating compelling listings with clear, high-quality photos and detailed, accurate descriptions to attract more buyers. Shipping delays are another issue. Ship items promptly to avoid negative feedback from buyers who expect quick delivery. Package items carefully to prevent damage during transit, ensuring they arrive in the condition described. Scammers are also a concern. Be cautious of suspicious buyers or requests that seem too good to be true. If something feels off, trust your gut and take action to protect yourself. Report any suspicious activity to the platform immediately to help keep the community safe. By being aware of these potential issues and taking proactive steps, you can avoid them and have a smoother, more successful selling experience. Section 8. Conclusion. Your auction adventure awaits. Online auction sites offer a fantastic opportunity. You can declutter your home, find unique treasures, or even start a side hustle. The key is to just start. Don't be afraid to experiment. Learn as you go. Remember, success takes time and effort. Be patient, persistent, and provide excellent customer service. You might be surprised at what you can achieve. Happy selling!